Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to part 3 of our HTML level 1. And in these lectures, I'll be talking about lists. Okay, so lists basically get all our information on our HTML page organized. So let's say, for example, you want to make or you want to number your work. Okay, you make use of list, or you want to add bullets to your work, you make use of lists. And in HTML has two type of lists. We have the ordered list and we have the unordered list. Okay, so the ordered list, like the name implies, it helps our work by adding numbers and so on. Okay, and then if you want to use bullets and the rest, you make use of unordered list. Okay, so if you see now, I've created another file which is list.html. So you can also do that as well by coming over here to the folder we already created. Okay, and then you can create the file here. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's go straight up by adding the HTML skeleton. Now, in order to add the HTML skeleton, you start with HTML. The next thing is the head. Okay, and inside the head we have what? We have the title, and the title that we're working on right now is list. Okay, then outside the head we have what? We have the body. Okay, so let me start with the element h1. Okay, I'm working on lists. All right, I'm working on list. So let's save and then let's refresh. Now you see, if you look at our browser here, you see that it has changed to list. Okay, because of the title here. All right, so I'm working on list. Now the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm starting with what? The unordered list. So in order to work with the unordered list, you type ul. Can you see it? And this ul has what? Its opening and its closing tag. Okay, so basically what this ul means is that, normally if we were to spell unordered list, it would be like this, right? Unordered lists, right? So basically what happened is that we picked the first character, which is u, and then the first character here, which is l, so we'll make it ul. So that's why we use ul. Okay, so you can see the ul has its opening tag and the closing tag. Now inside the ul, and there's what we call the list item, like list item, like this list item. So we'll do the same thing. We pick the character, which is the l, and we'll then pick the first character, which is I, which would be li, like this. So we're gonna write okay, let's do number 1. Let's add another li. So let's do number 2, and then let's do another li. Let's do number 3. Okay, so let's save and then let's refresh. I'm coming now. Let me see if I can zoom my browser. Okay, it's working, so you guys can see it clearly on your screen. Okay, so you can see this one now comes with all the unordered list, come with what? With the bullet here. You can see them, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, it's working, right? So now let's look at the unordered list. Let's look at the ordered list. Sorry, the ordered list. So we'll come down here and then we'll do what? ol. I seen it, which is what? Ordered list. Okay, just where I explained the ul, it's the same thing here. All right, so the ordered list, then we're going to be using what? The li. Now don't forget that the li here, the list item here, and the one we're going to be working here to It's the same thing. Okay, it's just basically the ul and the ol that makes the difference. Okay, so we're gonna be using li, and then we're gonna write okay, let's still use number one. Okay, li number two, sorry, li, and then we'll do number three. Now we'll save, and then we'll refresh. Good. Now you can see, right, now the ordered list comes with 1, 2, 3, and then and so on. So basically the ordered list is counting from 1, to the last number. Okay, so if we continue writing things here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 till wherever we stop. Okay, so that's the difference between the ordered list and then the unordered list. Okay, now mind us, unordered list or ordered list, we can decide to use like can decide to use A, B, C, can decide to use any other representation here, but I wouldn't want to introduce us, I wouldn't want to do that on this particular video, so I won't, confuse us. So I'll make a separate video for that. All right. So thank you. We've come to the end of this class.